Hello friends, today we will discuss India, climate, vegetation and wildlife, which is last chapter of class 6 NCERT geography book. NCERT geography is very important for facts and conceptual clarity from civil services examination point of view. This video will help you to quickly revise and memorize important facts and concepts of NCERT, which are important from examination point of view. Here we fully stick to NCERT book and no extra input. Let us start the chapter. India, climate, vegetation and wildlife. Do you know what is weather? Weather is about day-to-day change in atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. For example, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are: number first, cold weather season, that is winter. It starts from December and up to February. Second is hot weather season, that is summer, from March to May. Southwest monsoon season, that is rainy, from June to September. Then fourth is season of retreating monsoon, means autumn, means when monsoon is retreating from Indian Peninsula. It starts from October and finish up to November. Cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. So during this season, sun rays are in southern hemisphere, and so in winter hemisphere it is cold weather season. Then comes the hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature becomes very high. Hot and dry winds called loo blow during the day. This loo is local wind. You will study local winds in next video. Then comes the southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is very important from Indian perspective. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land, which carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barrier, rainfall occurs. So, in India, rainfall occurs when these monsoon winds strike to mountain barriers like Himalayas. Then comes the season of retreating monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to Bay of Bengal. So in this season, monsoon wind which came over the Indian Peninsula during the southwest monsoon season starts retreating from the mainland towards the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. So this fact is very important, that during autumn season, rainfall occurs in which part of India? It occurs mainly in the southern part, in the state of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. See, when monsoon winds starts retreating from Indian Peninsula, they comes from this direction and starts moving towards here, Tamil Nadu and Andhra. So rainfall occurs in Tamil Nadu and Andhra. Now, the climate is about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. So, weather is day-to-day change in the atmospheric condition, and the climate is what? It is average weather condition which has been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. So why most of the rain is brought by the monsoon winds? Because due to location of India in the tropical region. So this fact is very important. You should remember it. Now, agriculture in India is dependent on rain. Good monsoon means adequate rain and bountiful crop. So all of you know that Indian agriculture system is fully dependent on monsoon. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief. This concept is very important, that climate of a place is affected by location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief. It may be asked in reason type questions in examinations. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. So, why there is regional differences in the climate of India? The reason is given in the above line. Because climate of a place is affected by its location. Suppose some location is very interior to the peninsula in India, then its climate is different. Altitude. If some place is located at higher altitude, then its climate will be different from that of the lower altitude. Distance from the sea and relief. Like Kolkata and Mumbai are very near to sea. Their climate is different from what is felt in Delhi or Lucknow. Therefore, we experience regional difference in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. So, coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. What is the reason? Yes, because these places are very near to the coast. Monsoon Ram in Meghalaya, say this, Monsoon Ram in Meghalaya receives the world highest rainfall. Earlier it was Cherrapunji, but now Cherrapunji is replaced by Monsoon Ram in Meghalaya, which receives the world highest rainfall. While in a particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Now, natural vegetation, the grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own, on their own, without interference or help from human being are called natural vegetation. Different type of natural vegetation are dependent on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Why are forests necessary? Yes, can you tell me? Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The root of the plants bind the soil, thus they control soil erosion. Then forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, like honey, gum, etc. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. Special programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. So you should also promote these Van Mahotsav like festivals and plant more and more trees to make the earth green. Now come to the wildlife. Forests are home to variety of wildlife. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat. See this, Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephant and one-horned rhinoceros roam in the forest of Assam, mainly in the Kaziranga National Park. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camel and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Run of Kutch respectively. Wild goat, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. Due to cutting of forest and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Every year, we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October. What is important here? Wildlife Week is celebrated in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving the habitat of the animal kingdom. In India, many birds come from many different other continents during the winter season. These are called migratory birds. Some birds such as pintail, duck, curlew, flamingo, osprey and little stint migrate to our country in winter season every year. Smallest migratory bird. Which is the smallest migratory bird? Little stint, weighing as low as 15 gram from Arctic region, travel over 8,000 kilometers to reach India. So we have seen that what is importance of climate, vegetation and wildlife. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.